Welcome to today's guided meditation for releasing fear and guilt and reconnecting with a deep sense of safety and grounding. Whether you're here to let go of heavy emotions or simply to return to a place of inner calm, this time is just for you. Find a quiet space where you can be still and undisturbed. Gently close your eyes and let your body begin to soften. With each breath, you'll move closer to peace, groundedness, and emotional freedom. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Letting your body begin to soften. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to unclench, and your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your sides. Now, feel the weight of your body being supported by the ground or the chair beneath you. Let yourself arrive here and now. With your next breath, bring your awareness down to the base of your spine. Imagine a warm, steady energy glowing there, like a soft red or golden light. This light is your foundation. It connects you to the earth, to stability, to safety. With each breath, imagine this light growing brighter, stronger. Visualize gentle roots extending from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Feel the earth holding you, calmly, steadily, unconditionally. You are safe. You are grounded. You are supported. Now bring to mind a feeling or thought of fear or guilt you may be carrying. Not to judge it, but just to gently acknowledge it. Say quietly to yourself, I see you. I honor you. I now choose to release you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine that fear or guilt leaving your body like smoke or fog, dissolving into the air. Again, breathe in peace. And breathe out anything that no longer serves you. With each breath, you are becoming lighter, freer. You do not need to carry the past. You are allowed to let go. Now, bring your hand to your heart if it feels comfortable. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Steady, alive, true. Repeat quietly in your mind or aloud if you wish. I'm safe in this moment. I let go of fear and guilt with love. I trust in the strength within me. I am grounded. I am enough. Feel these words settle into your body like warm sunlight soaking into your skin. Let them become your truth. Begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Notice the sounds, the air against your skin, the feeling of presence in your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take one last deep breath in and out. As you return to your day, carry with you the grounded peace and the knowing you are safe, you are free, you are whole.